Create PowerPoint slides using Chatgpt. Do you often spend a lot of time making PowerPoint presentations? If you do, you are not alone. Creating presentations can take up a lot of time and can be quite boring. But what if there was a simple and fast way to make AI-powered PowerPoint presentations? With ChatGPT, you can create beautiful PPT with just a click of a button. In this video, I will show you how to create PowerPoint slides using ChatGPT easily. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type ChatGPT. This is the site, Chatgpt. Open it. If you are new to this site, then you have to sign up. As I already have an account, so it is logged in. You can also directly type chat.openai.com to directly open this site. Here, you type prompts and ChatGPT replies to each prompt. Now, you have to search for a topic on which you want to create slides. For example, my research topic is Artificial Intelligence in Business. I will say ChatGPT that my research topic is Artificial Intelligence in Business. Create PowerPoint presentation on given topic in a professional manner. You can also tell how much slides you need for the given topic, like 15 slides or 20 slides. Mention the number of slides you want for the given topic. Let's say I need 20 slides. I will say provide 20 slides on it. Press enter. ChatGPT has started providing us the slides. Here's an outline with content for each of the 20 slides. Like, slide 1 is about title slide, slide 2 is about introduction, slide 3 is about key concepts of AI, slide 4 is about AI applications in business, slide 5 is about benefits of AI in business. Each slide is having title and details. In this way, ChatGPT has generated PowerPoint slides on the topic Artificial Intelligence in Business. Feel free to use this outline and the provided content as a starting point for your PowerPoint presentation. You can expand on each point, add relevant images or graphics, and customize the design to match your preferences. Good luck with your presentation. Now, if you feel that some of the slide is missing, then you can simply ask ChatGPT to add it. For example, I will say, can you add impact of AI-based business applications? I want a detailed slide on it. Press enter. Here's a detailed slide specifically focusing on the impact of AI-based business applications, like enhanced decision-making, predictive analytics, improved customer insights, personalized customer experience, efficient resource allocation, automation of repetitive tasks, fraud detection and prevention, supply chain optimization, human resource management, and many more. In this way, PowerPoint slides are ready on the given topic. Now we have to copy all the slides. Open your internet browser, type microsoft.com. Log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account on Microsoft, then click on Create One. Or you can sign in with a security key as well. Then click on Next. Once you logged into your Microsoft account, you can see this type of interface. You can see Create New. You have to click on Word Document. I have pasted all the slides text here, which I have created on Chatgpt. There was one more additional slide. Copy it. Paste it. I will edit it and write slide 21. Now the slides are ready to be converted into PowerPoint slides. Go to Files, then go to Export. Select Export to PowerPoint Presentation. In this way, it will automatically detect the content of each slide. It will also generate theme according to the content. Choose a design theme. You can also click on See More Theme. I like this design. Click the design you like. Then click on Export. Wait while it's generating the slides. Click on Open Presentation. In this way, you got the presentation. Go to File, click on Save As. Select the destination. Give name to your document. Click on Save. In this way, it will be saved to your OneDrive. I will give name to this document as AI in Business. Click on Designer. In this way, you can choose any design from Designer. Choose design on each slide according to your preferences. In this way, our presentation is ready on the topic Artificial Intelligence in Business. Now, I want to save it on my computer. For that, go to File, select Save As, click on Download a copy, click on Download. In this way, the PowerPoint presentation is downloaded on my system. Open it. The whole process of creating stunning slides with Chatgpt is so easy. Follow these easy steps whenever you need to create PowerPoint slides. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.